20 real reasons most marriages fail. After 5 years. 1. Emotional disconnect. The couple stops sharing feelings. They live together but feel alone inside the relationship. 2. Lack of communication. Small misunderstandings pile up because they stop talking openly and honestly. 3. Unrealistic expectations. People expect marriage to always feel romantic and exciting when it doesn't. Disappointment begins. 4. Financial stress money. Fights create blame, resentment, and emotional distance. 5. Different life goals. After a few years, people evolve. One wants adventure, the other wants stability. 6. Routine and boredom. Repetition kills passion. Life becomes predictable, and partners stop trying to impress each other. 7. Lack of intimacy. Physical and emotional intimacy fade when couples stop prioritizing each other. 8. Unresolved past issues. Old wounds, cheating, family drama, lies resurface because they were never healed. 9. Neglect and taking each other for granted. The effort that existed in the beginning disappears. Love fades without daily care. 10. Lack of appreciation. Constant criticism and zero gratitude destroy confidence and affection. 11. Infidelity. One partner seeks emotional or physical connection elsewhere, breaking trust. 12. External influence. Friends divided by family. Over-involvement of parents or friends creates unnecessary drama and comparisons. 13. Ego and pride. No one wants to say sorry. Both wait for the other to fix things. 14. Unbalanced responsibilities. One feels overburdened emotionally, financially, or in housework, leading to resentment. 15. Loss of friendship. They stop being best friends. Marriage without friendship becomes just a contract. 16. Parenthood pressure. Kids bring joy, but also stress, exhaustion, and less time for each other. 17. Mental health neglect. Anxiety, depression, or burnout go untreated, and emotional distance grows. 18. Comparisons with others. Social media makes people believe other couples are happier, leading to dissatisfaction. 19. Lack of growth together. One person grows, the other stays the same. Emotional and intellectual gaps widen. 20. Forgetting the why. They forget why they fell in love in the first place. The relationship turns into survival, not love.